What the Truck Wednesday with Tom and Russell, Nissan Parts CC crew.
We're here to make your pickup truck dreams come true, one part at a time.
Yeah, because if you make your truck dream come true, you're making our dreams come true.
That's right. Now listen, the D21 pickup, probably the most perfect pickup truck ever built. And that includes the Chevy C10, the Chevy S10, the Ford F100, F150, Ranger. I tried looking up common issues for D21s, came up empty-handed. The only complaint that I saw from people was the four-cylinder motors they put in them was underpowered. But you don't buy a pickup truck. Well, I guess you do buy a pickup truck if you need some.
I mean, yeah, if you're buying a
power and torque.
Four-cylinder pickup truck, you're probably an old man putting around, and you just need a pickup truck.
Or you're mini trucking it back in the
mini trucking
80s and 90s.
Or maybe you're just swapping it and you're going to take that motor out and sell it to a 240 person.
Yeah.
See, there you go.
Yeah.
There you go. But yeah, I think the D21, like I see, I'm running all over town all the time, and I never see a Nissan that I'm like, wow, that's a nice looking Nissan, and think to myself, I need to go ask if they'll sell this thing to me. Mm-hmm. It's always the D21s. Every time I see a D21, I'm like, I need to see the owner. I want to buy it.
You want one, don't you?
Yeah. Heck yeah, I want one.
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah, for sure. I want a truck that runs.
You have one that runs. I just refuse to drive it. So yeah, we're going to talk a little bit about D21s today, but let's get two shout outs out of the way. We have a guy that checks in with us every once in a while, Jared C. He would like for us to give a shout out to his wife, Robin, who enjoys the videos. So hi, Robin, thanks for watching. Tell your husband to leave a comment for you. We want to know what you have to say about today's video.
Yeah. Or if you have an account, you leave a comment.
Sure. And also, Jose Hernandez, he said, more 720, please. Listen, I have gone down 720 tunnels looking for parts just randomly, and I keep coming up empty-handed, and after about 45 minutes of that, it's like, what am I even doing?
Yeah.
I could be doing Sudoku right now, and instead I'm looking for parts I can't find. So if you're a 720 owner, and I love 720s, I've been looking them up on Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. I really like those.
I like the 720 as well, but what scares me about the 720 is exactly the issue.
Parts are getting a bit thin.
You can probably get replacement parts aftermarket, but when it comes down to the specific weather strips, seals, things to clean it up, you're gonna be SOL.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I don't know. I haven't looked, so I can't confirm that. But if you have a 720 and you want us to look for parts, please let us know what you want, and I will put some time in to try and track stuff down for you. And don't just say anything. What can you get? What parts do you have? We got lots of parts.
Got some oil filters for you.
Yeah, air filters, spark plugs. But if you have something specific, let us know, and we will make your 720 dream come true.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, so let's talk about kits.
Yes.
A couple of kits I'm surprised that we do not already have on the website, and that's the D21 hood bumper kit.
I was pretty surprised by that one too. I thought we had done that a while back, but
So this kit, it covers all D21 pickup trucks, early and late. We'll put the number for the kit up there on the screen for you to check out on the website. Another kit we put together is another bumper kit, stuff that we've never had. Tailgate bumper kit.
Yeah.
And this also covers the early and late model D21 pickup trucks, hard bodies. Let's have a look at that. And finally, staying with the tailgate hinge kit. That's a little bit spendy, but if you've got a tailgate that half hangs off or makes a lot of racket going up and down, we have these tailgate kits, the hinge kits for the tailgate, sorry. These are only for the 94 through 97 D21 hard bodies. The earlier one, the hinges are a little bit different, and one's on back order right now, so I didn't want to put a kit together for that.
Yeah.
But there's your part number there for your hinge kit for your tailgate on your D21.
Tom knows how to put kits together now, so you guys, you could be ready.
I'm going to try and do a kit a week.
Yeah.
Which means ultimately one a month.
There you go.
So, there you have it. What else you got for these good people, Russell?
Yeah, let us know. I think the biggest thing, especially for the truck crowd, whether it be a Datsun, a 720, D21, heck, I don't care if it's an A60 Titan, let us know what you need. Let us know what you're looking for. If you got a clip under the dash that has been missing and something's rattling, tell us.
Yeah.
Don't just say, do you guys have Titan parts? Don't, we got those.
All day long.
Yeah. Yeah. So just give a little specificity, helps us out. Yeah. That's about it, guys. It's What the Truck Wednesday and What the Truck.
Yes. And have a look on our social media for you're getting ready to leave, weren't you?
No, I wasn't. I was getting primed up for your next line.
My next line was, pay attention to the flash sales.
Yes.
Very popular. Russell's doing a different flash sale every day.
Yeah.
And it's keeping us all busy. We need to do a little D21
We're gonna
flash sale.
It's happening. Yeah. The S13 guys, without a doubt, have been like, they own the flash sales right now. They come through every time. But the D21 guys, I know you are waiting, sitting there going, these guys could just give me a flash sale. And
maybe this hood bumper kit.
Yeah, maybe.
Something.
What do you guys think? Hood bumper
exciting.
kit? Maybe this weekend, next week. A little free shipping on a bumper kit, maybe. Hood bumper kit.
All right.
All right.
Well, we are ready to put this one to bed. We'll see you on Friday for a regular video.
Later, guys.
Bye.
I'm gonna take this phone call. Crystal's calling me. Yes, you in here trying to shoot a video. How can I help you?